Hello there, this is Knockout Investing Life. In this video, I'm going to go over some technical analysis of SafeMoon. So let's begin. Right now, we have over 1 million holders. So these are people who hold SafeMoon in their trust wallets or whatever wallets that they use. And the current trading price right now is 4771. The market cap is 2.8 billion US dollars. Let's go to CoinMarketCap. Notice that the price here on CoinMarketCap is a lot higher than what was listed on the official SafeMoon website. And the reason is the SafeMoon listing price on CoinMarketCap is not in real time. It has a bit of a lag and it doesn't reflect what's actually traded right now in the moment. So to see a more accurate real-time price, you have to look at PancakeSwap. And all you have to do is search up SafeMoon. And we're gonna change it to USDT because USDT is 1-to-1 with the US dollar. Let's look at the price of one SafeMoon. And it's 481. So the current real-time trading price is a lot lower than what's shown on CoinMarketCap. So if you are thinking about trading SafeMoon, you have to rely on PancakeSwap to get the real-time trading price. And if we go to the main website, their official website, the value trading price right now is 4771. So that's a lot closer to PancakeSwap. Let's actually go to Bitmart and check the price of SafeMoon as well. So right now, SafeMoon is trading at 6162. So that also reflects more of the CoinMarketCap price. Let's go back to CoinMarketCap and let's look at the 7-day chart here. I took a picture of the 7-day chart so that we can do annotations and really understand the price movement. So these past 7 days, obviously in the first few days this past week, we shot up exponentially. And the reason was the added interest from new crypto investors. So a lot of newbies, they got into the hype and they start buying and buying. And we reached an all-time high just 1 or 2 days ago. Let me indicate that right here. So there's our all-time high. And we did start seeing dips. Now let me explain why these dips happened. So a lot of whales, those wallets that contain a lot of SafeMoon, they started taking profits. And this caused the price of SafeMoon to drop dramatically. And we actually saw 3 different dips that happened. So let me explain that. Here is this first dip right here. And there was the first dip. This caused a lot of new crypto investors to freak out. It caused fear, uncertainty, and doubt. FUD. And that caused them to sell their coins for a loss, especially those who bought here at the all-time high. And so when a whale sells their coins, it causes a rapid drop and the price of the crypto because they own so much of the coins that's the power they have on the price. But realize this, the price dip is instantaneous. It happens very briefly. What interestingly happened was that buyers came in and they started pushing the price back up. They started fighting against the sellers. And this is the interesting thing that happened. We see a support level that formed. So what do I mean by the support level? buyers were able to push the price back up to this support level right here. And I'm going to call this support 1 or S1. And then sellers took over again and caused this second dip right here, which was a lot worse than the first dip. But another interesting thing happened again, and that is where buyers stepped in again and they started buying. And so that caused us to form a second support level right here. Now, sellers, they took over again. Whales, newbies, they started selling again because the whales caused a panic in the newbies, and that caused a lot of people to sell, and that's where we see this third dip. And then buyers stepped up and they started taking over again. They started beating out the sellers, and they formed this third support level. What is the point I'm trying to make here with all these support levels? This shows that there is very strong interest in buys whenever there are dips. And so this indicates to me that this is a healthy bearish downtrend. We will start seeing reversals sooner or later when we establish consolidation. So consolidation is when the price of the crypto, or we can talk about stocks here, starts to stabilize. There are a lot of holders who keep that price up, and so there is no further downtrend. So right now we are maybe nearing a new support level that will show consolidation. If this price range around high 4s to 5s hold in the next few days, then that would indicate consolidation taking place. That means there are no more sellers who are willing to let go of their coins. And so now the buyers have control. And with a little bit more volume from more buyers, we will start seeing a bullish trend start to form. And what I would like to see is a slow and gradual climb up. So that shows healthy, steady growth in the crypto. Another point I want to make is that a lot of new cryptos, they fail for a multitude of reasons. The first reason being the development team, they don't have a clear goal, mission, and vision in mind. So when they design the coin, their job or their task is only to create hype and to pump up the price and then to do a rug pull. If you don't know what a rug pull is when a development team, they come up with a new coin and they hype it up, but if you look into it, they don't plan to do any real thing. They don't have any substance. So their whole task is to pump up the price of the coin, get newbies, get ignorant folks to join in on the train, and when the price is high enough, because they have such a high and big stake in the crypto, they will basically sell and then cause a lot of folks to hold the bag at a very high price. Or because the price has dropped, a lot of bag holders will just hold the coin at a very low price and it never goes back up. But here's the thing with SafeMoon. The team, they are one of the best development programming teams out there. They're coming up with new projects and they are very deeply invested in SafeMoon. So they have a clear goal, they have mission, vision statements, and they really care about the community, about real projects that will bring about good change for folks. And so I highly support what they are doing. They are very transparent. Even though this recent Ask Me Anything meeting did not appear to be very successful, I got a lot away from that meeting, and you can watch that AMA meeting by clicking on the link down below. I learned a lot from that meeting. I learned that there are new exchanges that will list SafeMoon in the future. We already know that MXC has picked up SafeMoon, and MXC is an exchange that's highly popular in the Chinese market. Mandala is the highly popular exchange in the African market, and that listing will soon also offer SafeMoon on their exchange. And so that's very good news. On top of that, from the AMA meeting, we learned that very popular celebrities like LL Cool J and Dr. Dre, they plan to get on board and start promoting SafeMoon. So that is very bullish news. On top of that, there's even more good news. So the CEO, John Caroni, he came out and made a follow-up video to the AMA meeting. The reason why he did that was because some of the team members, they did not appear professional in that AMA meeting. However, that was not the point of the meeting. So the way they dressed, the way they spoke, the presentation of the material is just a distraction. You have to remember, folks, that these people are working day in and day out to get SafeMoon off the ground. They barely get any sleep. We're still going through a pandemic right now. So you have to understand that when folks get on camera, they may not be in their best form. And so I just don't focus on the presentation of the material. I focus more on the content, the knowledge that they communicated. And so from that AMA meeting, I got a lot more because I focused on the message. I did not focus on what they were wearing, how they spoke, and other things that distract me from the content. All right, so please watch that AMA meeting and really focus on what is being said. All right, so let's get back to the chart here. What do I see for SafeMoon going into the future regarding its price? I think that we will experience a period of consolidation where we see the price fluctuate just a little bit here and there. But once we establish that consolidation, that new support level where we no longer see a downtrend, it's going to remain like that for a few weeks, maybe a few months, until we get more news. And then that's going to draw more buyers back in, create more interest. The folks that sold before, once the price has risen, they're gonna want to come back in because they will experience FOMO, fear of missing out. So that's gonna cause more people, also the same folks, to come back in to try to get back into SafeMoon, and that's gonna cause the price to continue to rise. So what I would like to see is a gradual climb up, and we will form new all-time highs. There are tremendous projects, developments, and ideas that are coming with SafeMoon. Keep up to date with the Discord chat. You can access the Discord down below using that link that I included. And let's actually go back to BSC Scan. I really love this website because they have a lot of awesome analytics. I mainly use it to look at the current holders of SafeMoon. So let's actually look and see these wallets. Had to take my water break. All right, so if you're new to wallets, if you're new to crypto, wallets are basically like an account that's electronic, right? And it allows you to keep all different types of cryptos in that wallet. So SafeMoon is just one of the cryptos that I own. And if we look at this biggest wallet here, ranked number 1, this is actually not a wallet that's owned by anybody. This is actually the burned token wallet. So all the tokens that have been burned, they are no longer in circulation. You can't trade them. These are the tokens right here. So that's about 41%. The biggest wallet that somebody owns is ranked number 2. And this person has 3.8%. So this whale has 38 trillion SafeMoon coins. And that's over 223 million US dollars. That's the current value of that wallet right now. Coming in third, we have PancakeSwap. That's the exchange. And they have about 22 trillion coins. 2.26 percentage wise of the entire amount of SafeMoon that's out there still in circulation. And that's about $132 million. We see the SafeMoon protocol deployer ranked at number 8 right now. And if we go down to number 31, this is MXC. That's the new exchange that just started offering SafeMoon where you can buy and sell. And again, MXC is a very hot and popular exchange for the Chinese market. And I hopefully am somewhere in the top 2,000. I want to make my way to the top 1,000. So I have to put about 50, 60,000 US dollars into SafeMoon. If you watch my next video, I will show you how much SafeMoon I bought with those big 3 dips that we experienced last few days. And so you will know exactly how much SafeMoon I hold. So please keep an eye out on that when I release that video. That's it, folks. So this is one of many technical analysis videos that I will make for SafeMoon. I will buy more as it dips, and I will hold long term. And my goal is to become a millionaire with SafeMoon. So please, thank you for watching. Continue to like, comment down below, and subscribe. And so you will get updated when I release new videos. I also plan to do a SafeMoon giveaway. So if you've watched my entire video to this point, to be eligible to win 1 million SafeMoon coins, please write a comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and like this video, and I may choose you to give away 1 million SafeMoon coins in my next video.